How to setting Abrain Door Lock user's guide. How to change admin password. First you need to enter into admin mode. Enter the default administrator password. Then enter for confirmation.
Successful.
Select admin setting. Enter add admin. Enter user id1.
Enter unlock information.
Enter your new admin password.
Enter again.
Re-enter again the password for confirmation. Admin password had successfully changed. How to setting door lock time. Select system setting. Then select set date time. And then you enter the correct date and time. Enter to confirm.
Successful.
How to add new user. First, select user setting. Select add user. After that, enter the user ID and enroll the user.
Unlock information. Enter again. Successful.
Enroll by fingerprint.
Enter unlock information. Enter again. Successful. Enter unlock information.
Enroll by IC.
Successful. Enter
Enroll
unlock
by bank
information.
card.
Successful. Enter unlock information.
Enroll user by password.
Enter again. Successful.
Testing for user enrollment. Enroll by fingerprint. Enroll by IC. Enroll by bank card. Enroll user by password. How to delete a user.
Select the number key.
First, select user setting. Then select delete by ID. Enter the user ID that want to delete.
Successful.
Test to confirm the user being deleted. How to get WeChat temporary password. First open your WeChat apps. Then click on the search and tap Sweet Home. Select the on-screen door lock. Enter your administrator password. Select Get Your Temporary Password. The application will give you a temporary password code. Use this temporary password to access the door lock. OK. Now the door lock been unlocked. After 10 minutes, when you enter again the temporary password, it will invalid.